Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Skull Key in Stardew Valley. First, let's talk about how to get this important item. You'll earn the Skull Key once you successfully reach level 120 of the regular mines. This achievement marks a significant milestone in your mining adventures, granting you access to even greater challenges and rewards. It's a key step for any serious farmer. Once you have the Skull Key, your next destination is the Calico Desert. To get there, you'll need to take the bus, which becomes operational after you've completed the repaired bus bundle at the community center. Upon arriving in the desert, head to the northwest corner to find the Skull Cavern entrance. Simply interact with the large, skull-shaped door, and the key will automatically unlock it, granting you entry. The Skull Cavern is much more challenging than the regular mines, so preparation is crucial. Always bring a good supply of high-energy food and healing items to keep your health and stamina up. Bombs are incredibly useful for quickly clearing large groups of rocks and finding ladders or holes to descend faster. Make sure you have your best weapon equipped and a sturdy pickaxe to handle the tougher monsters and ore veins you'll encounter. Inside the Skull Cavern, you'll find some of the most valuable resources in Stardew Valley. Expect to discover rare minerals, an abundance of iridium ore, and unique artifacts that can be donated to the museum or sold for a good profit. You'll also face powerful monsters, offering special loot and a true test of your combat skills. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy mining.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.